I believe you are very clear about how to make use of the Google Plus Traffic Finder. Now let's get into the next interface, that is Google Plus Traffic Builder. In this lecture, I'm going to explain you about how to make use of this interface. So let's get started. You can see that there are two sections in this interface. One is to enter your Google Plus information and other is to save files. So first we'll see what you have to do in the Google Plus information section. You are asked to give number of Google posts you want to post. So it should be a maximum of 10 to 20. Make sure that you are not entering above it. If number of posts is being posted from the same account, then there are chances that Google can block your account. So make sure you are giving only 10 to 20 number of posts. And then comes your waiting time. So this waiting time should be in terms of seconds, and the minimum waiting time should be at least 300 seconds. So this is very important. As I said previously, Google has very strict policies. So make sure that you give a minimum waiting time of 300 seconds. So this waiting time is the gap between two posts. So if one post is being posted, then our system will wait for 300 seconds and then post the second post, so that Google will not block your account. So make sure you are giving the waiting time as 300 seconds, and then make sure you are entering your email ID and the password. So this is a must thing. You have to give your email ID and your Google Plus password so that our software can make use of your account. Then let's move to the next section, that is save files. So here you are asked to enter your syntax message. So enter your message in this box and again select the file that you gave in the previous interface. So all the outputs, all the URLs will be actually saved in the file you selected previously. So select that file here and start the process. So once the process is completed, your message will be posted in different accounts. So this is how this software works with your Google Plus account. I'm sure that this will bring tons of traffic to your website. So be clear in all the procedure, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I will be always there to help you.